You see, we can believe that warfare is when you step out and you go on one dance and pure sinners is there. And then you say, is a sinner doing that? They don't know say a sinner. But what do you do when it's a girl and she pray in tongues and she latch herself onto you if you're a man and whisper something in your ears and you turn idiot and you give her your dresser, all of your furniture, and carry your whole salary come left girl. And then you turn up at the house and see another car park outside. And then you know what happened? That man now develops distrust. He not trust no woman. And now he is going on in life hurting women because one person. You see that? You have several men right now. You might be listening to me right now who have had weird experiences, and today you're still battling with it. It has affected you. It's warfare. Glory to God. And now when you come to God, it's difficult to trust God. You better listen, because people believe warfare is confronting the devil face to face and kick and thump and rubber shaka. No, warfare is tactics, tricks, deception, and by the time you find out you're done deceive already, that's warfare.